Mindanao is setting its sights on becoming the primary halal hub in Southeast Asia, with the Mindanao Development Authority, or MINDA, pushing for a comprehensive halal ecosystem spanning food production, Islamic finance, and tourism to tap into the expanding Muslim market. Our Denise Osorio has more.
Amid the rapidly expanding Muslim market across Asia, the Mindanao Development Authority, or MINDA, is now concentrating on developing a more comprehensive halal ecosystem with the aim of maximizing Mindanao's competitive advantage. MINDA chairperson Leo Magno notes that the Philippines has long been benchmarking its efforts against Brunei, Indonesia, and Malaysia, countries recognized for their well-established halal industries and rigorous certification systems.
Ito po yung mga matagal na po tayong nagbe-benchmarking sa ginagawa ng Malaysia, sa Brunei at Indonesia, at tayo naman dito sa Pilipinas. Constant ho ang usapan natin, ang kausap po natin palagi dito ay yung mga certifying bodies.
MINDA also reports that the halal sector in the Philippines continues to broaden, extending beyond poultry, livestock, and food processing to include halal lifestyle products, services, and tourism. These areas serve sizable markets across Southeast Asia and the Middle East. MINDA stressed that Japan is one of the models they are examining as they work to attract more Muslim travelers to the Philippines. However, the supply chain remains a notable challenge. From animal feed and farm practices to slaughtering procedures, every stage must be fully compliant in order to meet the strictest halal standards, such as those enforced in Brunei.
Up until siguro we come to a point at time na lahat na tayo kahit hindi Muslim maghahanap ng halal chicken, kasi pag halal siguradong organic ang feeds nito. Siguradong free from all other derivatives that will cause health problems to us later on. And so since that way of life is gradually going there, and definitely yan yung tinitingnan natin na direction.
Alongside this, more Islamic finance windows are being opened in Mindanao following the passage of the Islamic finance law. This is especially significant for communities in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, where traditional interest-based banking is considered haram or prohibited under Islamic principles.
This accords opportunity for our Muslim brothers and sisters, for instance. Kasi para sa kanila, very important that we have this Islamic finance or Sharia-compliant financing system also available. Kasi bawal po sa kanila ang magkaroon ng financial process na may interest. That's haram.
MINDA is likewise pursuing sukuk funds from Middle Eastern partners such as Qatar to finance ports, airports, road networks, and energy projects across the Bangsamoro region. The objective is to unlock the area's infrastructure potential whilst expanding its capacity for halal exports. In the poultry sector, Mindanao may soon export halal-certified chicken to the Middle East, with support from the stringent halal audit standards upheld in Malaysia and Brunei. With the continuing development of the halal system, from food production and certification to Islamic finance and tourism, MINDA believes Mindanao is well-positioned to become a leading halal hub in Southeast Asia. Denise Osorio for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.